This is the weekly Health Law News Nugget from Southern Health Lawyers. I'm Rich Sanders.
And this is the Health Law News Nugget for the week of January 27th, 2020. Well, it's been a busy week in business affairs for healthcare as we discuss the world of business and politics in healthcare every week on the News Nugget. We wanted to focus a little bit on Wall Street and what's going on business-wise in healthcare around the nation with two important reports. The first is yesterday was the lowest market performance of the Dow Jones Industrials and the S&P in 2020, based largely, according to news reports, widespread news reports, based largely because of fears about the coronavirus and its impact on both foreign and domestic markets and capacities of businesses to be able to perform. This, of course, is not the first time that a widespread healthcare issue has affected market performance, but it is the first one to implicate the performance of the stock market in 2020. And given rising fears about the coronavirus spread throughout Asia and eventually other continents, could have further impact throughout 2020. Now, that's not the only news from this week, of course, affecting the business of healthcare. Yesterday, the Federal Trade Commission and the New York Attorney General filed a lawsuit against a former pharmaceutical executive who was the CEO of the company that manufactures Daraprim, and are alleging that he violated the monopoly laws at both the federal and state level, in particular with price gouging that led to the increase of price, according to the reports filed in the court, led to the increase in price of that particular drug of 4,000% in one day. Wouldn't it be great if we could have that kind of performance in the stock market as opposed to the price of a particular pharmaceutical product? Such is life, I suppose. So business, as always, intertwined with regulation in this latest development. We'll keep you posted throughout the year on the developments of that case, as well as how the stock market reacts to coronavirus and anything else that comes along in the world of the Health Law News Nugget. I'm Rich Sanders with Southern Health Lawyers. Have a great week.